5:30 in the morning. We're going to try and head out and see Zion Park here, and then we're actually coming back through Carmel Junction here, and then we're on our way to the Grand Canyon. So we're going to get an early start, stop, have some breakfast, and see how this goes. It's pretty dark still, so hopefully there's no wildlife on the roads, but let's see how she goes. After heading down Highway 89 for about 15 miles, we ended up in a place called Kanab, where we figured we weren't heading in the right direction, and after consulting the map, realized that yes indeed, we had gone the wrong way. After backtracking, we did end up on the correct highway, which did take us to Zion Park. All in all, we only lost about 45 minutes, so not the end of the world. Alright, we just did Zion Park this morning. Now that we're all fed and watered and coffeeed up, we are heading to Glen Canyon, Grand Canyon after that, and then on to Monument Valley. Looks like it's going to be another hot one. There's no clouds to be seen, although we didn't see any yesterday when we started and we still got poured on, so at least it cooled us off a bit. Should be a good ride. This will be the same highway we took this morning when I decided to take the wrong direction on my way to Zion. So we've traveled it once already in the dark, but at least we're familiar with it. Should be good. This is Highway 89 heading south. We're still in Utah. We're just heading towards Arizona. The scenery here is absolutely incredible. We're at Glen Canyon Dam. It is officially 40 degrees Celsius. I'm freezing. I'm going to put on my heated gear. Can't stand the cold anymore. Pretty hot out here. Hopefully I have enough Gatorade. I only got 2 bottles of it, but we'll have to grab more when we fill up for gas. You just sweat to death out here. It's crazy. I'm not used to this kind of heat. We're just getting into the Grand Canyon now, so this is sort of the beginning of it. We're going to head west into the park, see the geology change. I guess it's pretty grand. Since it's another 35 degree to 40 degree day, nothing beats an ice cream. Probably gonna melt before I can eat it. According to my thermometer, it's about 42 degrees Celsius right now. Feels like we're riding in a blast furnace when you get the wind going. We still got about 300 kilometers to go. We're going to head up to Monument Valley now. We just got finished with the Grand Canyon, which was amazing. It's beautiful. So a little more to go today, so we'll just have to sweat it out and keep our fluids going. But Monument Valley should be beautiful. We're going to be camping there tonight. There's a great big storm over there. We are currently in Kayenta. This is the gateway to Monument Valley. We're about 24 miles out, but we're just not sure what that's doing because we were going to camp tonight. So if that's going to roll over us, it might be time for a motel. Not to mention, it was 45 degrees Celsius. It's cooled down to 40. So air conditioning sounds pretty good right about now. But I guess we'll see what the forecast is here. It's so hot here, the stones are actually hot, very hot to the touch. You can only keep your hand there for about 30 seconds. We had originally found a new KOA campground that was out in the wide open desert. They were not renting to people in tents as they were having issues with their water. That turned out to be good fortune for us, as you will see coming up. Instead, we found this beautiful campsite called Goldings, which was surrounded by rocks and well protected. We're camping tonight at Monument Valley. There's a place called Goldings. It's just opposite of Monument Valley. This guy seems to own, or girl, whoever it is, owns a lodge, owns the campsite, it's got a tour company, seems to be doing very well. It's very impressive. Not to mention that the view from this place is absolutely stunning. This is gorgeous. The only down part right now is it is still about 40 degrees. It's 6:45. So we're gonna get a bag of ice and chill some beer and probably think about some dinner pretty quick here. This is fantastic. So tonight's dinner consists of a package of Knorr pasta primavera with spinach or something, a can of flakes of chicken, which looks kind of disgusting to be honest, and of course beer. And it's kind of cold, we stuck in a bag of ice, so hopefully it tastes good. I don't know if you could see what's blowing past my camera, but it looks like you can. That's sand. We're in the desert, experiencing a nice windstorm, which I think is about to strip the paint off of everything in this park.